Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining about how to get more website traffic from Twitter ads. So I think this is for the beginners actually. In my previous video, I explained the basic things about Twitter ads. If you want to go to my channel, so I clearly explained how to create normal Twitter ads. Here I explained how to target the audience, what are the different options. So now I'm directly jumping to the how to get more traffic to the website visits. So I recommend you to watch this video and after that come back to this. If you already have experience, no problem. And see here, Twitter was noticeably strong for raising brand awareness and reaching almost 10 times the number of people and generating almost 20 times the number of clicks as per the platforms. See, if you want to get traffic, you have Google Ads, Facebook, different platforms are there. So Twitter is very good actually. Huge number of people follow Twitter. So that's the reason traffic will be more. But I can say that yes, Twitter is expensive as compared to other platforms. But if you select the proper targeting, you will reach the right audience and whatever the amount you pay also that is worthy. Okay. Before you go for a ad, let me tell you what you have to do. First select objective. So here your objective is website clicks. So I want people to come to my website. So here Twitter will not charge you for impression. If your ad is appeared, someone liked, comment, retweeted, they will not charge anything. So that's free. So you're getting a free of cost brand awareness. Someone click and come to your website, then only they will be charging you. So if you choose website clicks, all you getting always brand awareness at the same time someone click, they coming to the website. Next, creative. How you want to present. So you have to prepare with a creative what you want to do it. Then whom you want to target, audience, which country you want to target, which area you want to target, male or female. So there are many options I'm going to explain. Then how much you want to pay. Of course, you have your own budget, right? So what is your daily budget? At the same time, cost per click, how much you're ready to pay. After that, you'll be getting the results. Observe the results. So here you can also set up conversion tracking anyway, because of the Twitter ads, whether you got a conversions or not. And people who visited your website and they're not converted, if you want, you can do remarketing. So all this will possible with the global site tag. So I'm not going to cover this part. I'm making another video. I'll put a link in the description. You can watch it later. As of now, I'm just showing how to make a normal Twitter campaign for bringing traffic to the website. Right. So go to ads.twitter.com. So start creating your campaign. So click on create campaign. But before that, as I mentioned, go for the creative first. So once you go to ads.twitter.com, there is an option called creatives. Click on creatives, go for a cards. This is called a Twitter card. So you don't have to go here directly. Your previous tweet will be your ad. But to better represent, it's always good option to create a card. So what kind of card do you want? A website card, video website card, image app, or video app? This is for apps. This is for the websites. So I'm selecting website card. Now they're asking to select the image. I already did, but for your reference, I'm showing you. So I'm selecting the image. So high resolution image, take it and whatever relevant to your website, then add a headline. And website URL. And card name. See, card name is for your reference. Right. Now this is your creative. So this is your kind of a headline and creative. Done. And even you can see your preview anyway, how this will appear as an ad. This is how it appear in iOS, Android, and desktop. Right, I'm done with the creative. Next, let me go for the campaign to select the target audience. So all these campaign option I've already explained in my previous video. Please watch this video. If you want to better access it, type ODMT Twitter ads. So you'll be getting this video. Okay, create campaign. Right, in my previous video, I already explained how to reach more people, the brand awareness campaign. Now I'm explaining about how to get more website clicks. So select this option. Next. So objective is done. Now what is your campaign? This is for your reference. And funding source, credit or debit card. And what is your daily budget and what is your total budget? So depends on your budget, you can mention it. So my daily budget is $100 and total budget is 700, means your ad will appear for 7 days. If you want it in your control, you can mention your start and end date also. Right, see your objective summary, website clicks. There is one more option called advanced, like how you want to target, standard or accelerated. Standard means Twitter works in such a way that they will try to show your ad throughout the day. So morning 9 o'clock, one click happened, it may pause your ad, next 10 o'clock also show. In such a way, your ad will be appear throughout the day. If it is accelerated, there is a possibility within an hour, your balance might exhaust. This is good for the campaigns. You have any urgent requirement, you have event is going, go for this, but recommended this. This is my campaign. Next, ad group. You can create multiple ad groups anyway. Why multiple ad groups? You want to do A by B testing. Like you want to target Texas. In the Texas, you want to see 20 to 30 years of age group people, how it is performing, and 30 to 40. I recommend you to create multiple ad groups. Otherwise, one is enough. Ad group name. Again, here start and end date, budget is optional. If you don't use them, by default, whatever you gave in the campaign level, that will be applied. Now, important thing is bidding type. Here, bidding type, by default, automatic bid is there. Means Twitter will work in such a way that based on the competitors and everything, Twitter will take control. But if you want, you can select target cost. When you select target cost, Twitter is giving a hint. So as of now, per click, they're charging 0.70 to $3.80 per click. It's recommending 2.25. Obviously, $2 is a huge anyway. If you go for Google ads, generally it is less than $1. Facebook also less. But Twitter is the platform in such a way that very good celebrities and good audience will be there. So it's not a big deal to spend more amount. But anyway, as they mentioned, you can go for 0.70. So per website click, they're charging this much amount. Here is one more option called conversions. Now see, when I click website conversion, this price will go. It's not going anyway. See, website conversion means you don't want to pay per click, but someone purchased, then only you want to go for this. But make sure that you have to apply a conversion tracking in this. For that, you have to mention a universal code. I'll be explaining another video. I made it already. I'll put a link in the description. So as of now, go for a website clicks only. And there is one more bid type here, like maximum bid. This is good, like you have your control. So I don't want to pay. The maximum is $2. It means maximum $2 means every time customer click on this, Twitter will not take $2. It can be 0.50 or $1. Maximum is $2. Same like a Google ads. So I recommend you to go for automatic bid anyway. Next, here one option called measurement option. If you already have a site tag, then only this will be useful. Otherwise, leave it. Campaign is done. At the ad group level, I mentioned about the bidding type, which is important. Next, in the same ad group, whom you want to target, audience, whom you want to target. Okay, so here this part, this is about the tailor audience, means people already came to your website and they did some action or they didn't make any action. If you want to target them, then only this will be helpful to you. Okay, this also comes under remarketing anyway. I made a separate video on that. Watch it. So you are the first time doing this, you don't have this option, you don't have any data, so leave it. Demographics, whether you want to target men, women, all ages, or else you want any specific age, mention the age. So what are the slots they given, which is relevant for you, just take it. Now 18 to 49 is one. Again, you want to check something like 21 to 60 also. Copy an ad group, another ad group will be there. So do A/B testing. Now, which country you want to target? So USA, UK, India, what are the country you want to target? You can mention over here. And even individual states and cities also you can target. So here location, language, technology. Technology means you can target OS version, platforms, device models, even device models also you can target. Whether you want to target Samsung or HTC like that. If it is required, then I'll do it. Scroll down. See, by default, if you don't select this option, throughout India, whoever have Twitter accounts whose age is 18 to 49, your ad will go. This might be huge. You have to narrow down the audience anyway, because digital marketing, everybody might not join, right? Assume that you're working for real estate, everybody might not buy. So understand their audience mentality and try to add them anyway. So here you have a different options like target by events, interest, conversation topics, followers look like, keywords, movies, and TV shows. Again, in my previous video, I clearly explained. Once again, let me explain. Event means nothing but people who show interest in the particular event. You can go for this. Like I'm saying that people who showed interest in this championship league, I want to target them. Okay, or else conference. You're running some conference, people who show interest in the particular conference, I want to target them. This is good for the people who running the conferences. Okay, this is one option. And interest, same like a Google, based on what kind of people you're following, what kind of tweets you're doing. Twitter will divide you as this guy is more of banking, sports, fashion, travel. So you can target those people. See, you want to target people who are interested in sports, personal finance, automotives, business. Again, business also there are different options are there. See, showing that 225 million. So you just add the target. So it's showing the target audience also. Next, conversation topics. People actively talking about particular topic, then you can do it. Followers lookalike, this is very good anyway. Find out your competitor and see here, I'm saying that mine is digital marketing. I'm saying Neil Patel, who is a digital marketer. Now he have 1.94 million followers are there. So for them, your ad will go. This is good, right? So you assume that you are into real estate. Then I'm showing you how Hyderabad real estate. See, these are all the real estate companies. People who are following these Twitter accounts, I want to target them. So I'm starting my real estate company, so I'm targeting those customers. For them, my ad will appear. So this is good actually. Next, keywords. People who are actively searching for the particular keywords. So real estate. Target or exclude people who search for, tweeted with, or engage with these keywords. So I recommend you people to use these filters anyway, so that you can narrow down the audience. Finally, movies and TV shows. People who actively engaging with the particular TV shows on the Twitter or movies, you can target them. Right. This is good for the movies promotions anyway. Okay. Next, retarget people who saw or engaged with your past tweets. If you want, you can target them. And expand your audience, forget about it. And finally, one more option. Assume that you have very good number of followers. To all of your people also, you want to target, select this option. Otherwise, leave it. So first, we selected a campaign. We already selected a creative. Now, whom I want to target and what is my bid. Done. Then next. Now we're going for the creatives. We already made the creative anyway. So yes, see, these are all organic tweets. If you want, I can select it, or else promoted only tweets, or else click on this option. You can freshly start your campaign, your ad, or else you can select your card. So initial starting this video, first I did this only. So I'm selecting my card here. Now I'm tweeting something like, that. Now you can tweet. I'm going to show you some best examples over here. Already people who already used. You can see here. This is the example. They used one card and call to action button, and they wrote something about it. Someone click, it will go to the website. This is another one. Right. So now here, promoted only. Promoted only means this will not be a normal tweet. Only targeting those people it will go. If you uncheck this, normally it will become a tweet. At the same time, it will become an ad. Depends on your requirement, you can use it. And tweet. Tweet successfully sent. Come back here and see right hand side where your ad is appearing. Users timeline. Users timeline means whenever they log in, this is the timeline. When they're browsing, there is a possibility your promoted ad will come like this. This is the promoted ad. And profiles. You try to see, this is the profile anyway. When you try to see these profiles also, your ad will appear. So when you scroll down, here also it will appear. Next, search results. Someone searching over here, there also your ad will appear. Next, Twitter audience platform. See, when it comes to Google display partner website means websites or apps who partner with the Google to earn money, there your ad will appear. In the same way, some websites and apps partner with the Twitter to earn money. There also your ad will appear. Means your ad is not appearing on the Twitter. Also websites and apps. If you want, if you think that that is good, then only use it. Otherwise, leave it. If you select it, let's see what are the options. So what kind of ads? Full landscape, banner, native, medium, rectangle. Okay, you have a control also. And they're asking what kind of categories also you want to show. If you scroll down, some more options are there anyway. Just check it. And if you don't want, you can remove them. Okay. Actually, the scroll down is not coming. Let me click on next. One error will come, then we'll rectify it. Yes. So let me go to creative. Yes, now it is coming. Yeah. Which category you want to target? You can select the category. I selected education. Now, if you want to exclude some apps, you can exclude the ads, some apps. You can mention the apps which you want to exclude it. And what is your website domain? Select it. That's it. Okay. And add your destination URL. We already mentioned in the card anyway. and click on next. Then launch your campaign. So see the campaign details anyway, ODMT website visits, ad groups, launch campaign. That's it, guys. This is how you can create a Twitter campaigns. So obviously Twitter is expensive as compared to Facebook. But better thing about Twitter is good celebrities will be there, nice audience will be there. Even though you're spending more, definitely you'll be getting good results. But make sure that your target audience should be narrow. Should not leave it like complete text or say want to target them. So target by keywords, lookalike audience. If you do properly, this will be helping you. In the next video, I'll be explaining you how to target the people who already engaged with your tweet or website visits. That is more profitable anyway. So initially, first you have to target broad. Later, you have to do a remarketing so that will be helping you. If you want to know more details about this, already Twitter is giving more details. Your business.twitter.com. So they clearly explained how to do this step by step option, and what you pay for also they explained. Okay, if you have any questions, put your comment in the below. I'll be replying back to you. And while you're creating campaigns also, if you have any questions, uh, this is my website, fill your details here, or else you can send me an email so that I'll try to help you. Thank you very much, guys.